Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to show you the tutorial how to repost a reel on your Instagram. First thing we have to do is open the Instagram application, and now we just need to looking for which reels that we want to upload into our Instagram. You can just go by click the explore button, or you can also click the reels button here. You can also find the reels on a explore button by just clicking the content or the post that have the symbols. Means that this is the reels content. Okay, you just need to explore it, like scrolling your explore, and after you find, you just need to click. For example, click this. Okay, and after that we just need to go by click this airplane, and after that just go click add to story, and for the other way, you can also just click this reels button, so that there will only a reels that will be appear here. You just need to scrolling down and find out which story that you want, which reels that you want to repost on your Instagram. And after you find one, just need to click the airplane mode, and add to your story, and click add to your story. So that's all the way how to do a repost reels on Instagram. If you find that this tutorial is get you so well, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.